July 17 at a provisional base of a unit of the armed forces of Ukraine deployed at a vegetable warehouse.
Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov, tanggal 21 Juli memperbarui serangan yang diluncurkan pada tanggal 17 Juli di pangkalan sementara unit angkatan bersenjata Ukraina yang ditempatkan di Gudang Sayuran di Nikolaev mengakibatkan musnahnya lebih dari 320 tentara Ukraina. Laporan data yang akurat, lebih 320 nasionalis ada di dalam Saat Rudal presisi tinggi Datang, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Di media sosial, beredar rekaman asap tebal saat Gudang jadi sasaran rudal. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis sebanyak 100 prajurit Rusia meninggal dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 38.350 prajurit Kremlin meninggal sejak awal invasi hingga memasuki hari ke-148. Perkembangan lain, kunjungan istri Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky, Oleska Zelenska, ke Washington, Amerika Serikat berbuah manis. Presiden Amerika Joe Biden akan mengirimkan tambahan bantuan HIMARS, roket jarak menengah untuk membantu mengalahkan Rusia.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. The enemy suffers considerable losses. According to precise data, high-precision attack launched by Russian aerospace forces on July 16 at a provisional base deployed by nationalists in Imperial Recreation Center located in Konstantinovka, Odessa region has resulted in the elimination of over 600 militants, including up to 120 foreign mercenaries. In addition, according to precise data, the attack launched on July 17 at a provisional base of a unit of the armed forces of Ukraine deployed at a vegetable warehouse in Nikolaev has resulted in the elimination of over 320 nationalists. In view of considerable losses in the eastern part of Ukraine, residents of the western regions mobilized to the Ukrainian armed forces refused to go to Donbass. All the servicemen of the 100th Territorial Defense Brigade located in Lutsk, Volhynia region have refused to be involved in operations. The Ukrainian Armed Forces Command disarmed the brigade. The initiators were arrested. The formation would be reformed. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery continue launching attacks at the military facilities in Ukraine. The list of neutralized targets includes 9 command posts, including one of the 59th Marine Brigade in Nikolaev, where foreign mercenaries were deployed, as well as one of the 14th Mechanized Brigade near Artyomovsk and the headquarters of the Security Service of Ukraine in Kramatorsk. 6 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Konstantinovka, Fyodorovka, Donetsk People's Republic, Malievka, Dnepropetrovsk region, and Nikolaev. The list of targets neutralized within the counter-battery warfare includes 1 Uragan MRLS battery and 1 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzer battery with a counter-battery warfare radar near Zarozhnoye, Kharkov region, 8 Ukrainian Grad MRLS platoons near Zvanovka, Kirovo, Soledar, Krasnoye, Platonovka, Donetsk People's Republic, Dobropolye, Zaporozhye region, and Shirokoye, Nikolaev region, 9 D-20 howitzer platoons and 7 D-30 cannon platoons near Seversk, Kirovo, Novomikhailivka, Konstantinovka, Klesheyevka, Georgievka, Donetsk People's Republic, Novopavlovka, Vesoloye, Zaporozhye region, as well as Dobroye, Nikolaev region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 Su-25 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Kramatorsk, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Pervomayskoye, Nikolaev region, as well as 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Topolskoye, Dementievka, Peshchanoye, Kharkov region, Yanakievo and Makeyevka, Donetsk People's Republic. 8 projectiles launched by Uragan MRLS near Chernobyevka, Kazachye Lageria, Kherson region, and Kamenka, Kharkov region have been intercepted. In total, 260 airplanes and 144 helicopters, 1,577 unmanned aerial vehicles, 356 air defense missile systems, 4,135 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 762 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,174 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 4,413 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.